It's really important to have such an event, because it really gives the opportunity to young talents not only to get a stage, but also to meet, professionals who are working with similar talents across Europe or even across the world.
I'm very happy and grateful that there's space and opportunity for classical musicians to be able to show what they're doing in this kind of space.
It's really cool to learn about the music industry in these conferences, and to hear also amazing bands.
I think it's a good way to kind of feel where you are as a band and to gather some attention that you normally wouldn't.
I feel like the main difference is that at a lot of these other showcase festivals that I was, it's all like very inside and it's like throughout the city. And here it's mostly like open spaces, which I think it's really beautiful.